Okay, so what I want to do in this video is show you how to import a list with custom fields included. And I guess the most obvious question you would probably want to ask is, why would you want to do that, right? Why would you want to do that if you can scrape leads? So there may be several reasons. For instance, you may be prospecting a type of business that has data or info or personalized type of information that you want to have included in your emails. So as an example, let's say that you scrape a list, and just use an example that we had. Let's go back to this group, and it is called, the Greenville restaurants. So let's say that you take this list of all the people in the Greenville restaurants, right, from that list, it's 285, and you want to do further research to see if these people are doing any type of coupon offers. You want to do further research to see how many of them maybe have a bad menu on their website, or you want different data points so you're able to personalize your emails more when you do the reach out. So how do you do that? All right, it could be that you just want to go after businesses that do Groupon that have sold 500 or more, and you want to take a screenshot of those particular ads, and you want to show that screenshot of the ad in the email. So what you do is you go to groups, which we're in now, and we're going to go to create group. All right, so you're going to name your group. We'll just call this the best group ever in the world. Okay, and it says you can just import your contacts. Now here's the important part. Now what you have to do, regardless if you have these fields or not, these fields that I'm going to go over, your list has to be in the proper format. Okay, so what I mean by that is, to upload custom fields, you first have to have 11 fields in the actual list upload before you can upload your additional custom fields. So what I mean is F name, L name, email, company, title, phone, address, all this stuff here, right? So by the time you're watching, this video, we are modifying the software. So the goal is any format that you have the list in, it will not matter. But for right now, you must have these particular fields in this particular order, and then you can add additional fields here. So in this case, let's just say add a column after, and maybe what we're trying to capture here is coupon ad, for instance, right? That will be a field that can be uploaded in the system. Now for your benefit, I already have this done. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose a list. Okay, and let me make sure this is the right one. So let's see here, F name, L name, website. That's not the one I want. I believe it is this one. Let's see here. I got it somewhere. Oh, I know where it's at. Use your brain, Jason. Brains are good. All right, so should be. Where's this list at? So here's the actual list. And if you can see, I know it's kind of small. It has F name, L name, email, company name, title, all the stuff we need up until website, those 10 or 11 fields, right? But then it has these two. So for these businesses that were scraped, I wanted to see what offers they were running. And I want to be able to put in the emails that are going out to tell them about their offer. So as an example, for 2 Samuels, I can say, hey, 2 Samuels, whoever the owner's name is, I seen you are running this offer. And the email campaign will say in the actual email that goes out to the prospect, $23 for $40 worth of food for 2, valid Monday through Wednesday. And then I can also upload where it says screenshot. You see that? So in this case, I'm going to upload this list, right? I'm going to hit next. And this is where we map the data at. So F name, for instance, will be first name. L name will be last name. Email, you'll map that to email. Company name, that's company name. Title, don't want to upload. Phone, I guess we'll upload it. We have it. We may be able to use it for something. Don't want to upload address, not city. Don't want to upload state. Don't want to upload country. Website, don't need it. But I do want to upload offer and screenshot. So you click offer, right? And then you map the screenshot. And then you just hit submit. So what's going to happen, it says group created and contacts imported successfully from that standpoint. What we'll do is when we go to our contacts, we will see inside of the groups here, the best group ever in the world, as you can see, and there was 51 contacts here. So here's what I want to show you. So for instance, on the Sammy B. Ridgway, I guess that's his name for 2 Samuels. If we go inside of here to actions, you're going to see the standard fields that were uploaded. All this is here. But then if you go into custom fields, you'll see that there's the offer, there's the screenshot, for instance. And that means that inside of your email campaign, which let me go and show you this really quick. Let's say I structured a campaign. It means that you can send that to offers. So we just name this something, right? And then you already know how to do this. You go through this process. But here's what I want to show you. That inside of your personalization here, if you put in offer, right, you see that? Then now when that merge code is inside of here, it's going to show what was uploaded next to that contact, the 2 for $23, dinner for 2. Make sense? So that is how you upload a list. So the main things you need to remember is you have to have the format of those standard 11 fields, and then any additional custom fields that you want, that comes after, and the system will upload that. And that's how you do it.